Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your CoinStats account. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser and go to coinstats.app and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website of CoinStats. Also make sure to log into your account if necessary, and once you're inside main homepage, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click on your username and then click on the account settings button on the left hand side menu from your profile page. There you'll be able to see the delete account button. Click on delete, and when it asks you if you are sure you'd like to get rid of your account, you'll need to click on the delete button one more time. If you proceed to delete your account, all of your account history and linked portfolio will be deleted as well, and your device will be logged out. So make sure to make a wise choice over here. Click on delete in order to delete your account, and you will now be able to send a request to delete your account to the support team. Now your account will be scheduled to deletion and it will be deleted in 72 hours. So that is how you can easily delete your CoinStats account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.